Hey guys, my name is Daniel and welcome to the Central One. Today we are going to talk about 4 tips that I can give you to be a better photographer. The first one is gear doesn't matter. Yes, you heard it right. Photographers using this term often in YouTube space, but it's true. You can start with your smartphone. Your phone has enough power to deal with the basics of photography. You don't need a very high-priced DSLR or a mirrorless camera because you don't know how to use it yet, so let's figure out the basics with your phone, which is good for it. The second one is that you need to consume photography content. When you're watching content like that, that is the most efficient way to learn techniques, learn about different topics, learn about different styles. So you should just go ahead and watch some videos or just looking for photographers that you like. If you're doing that, I can assure you that you will have a wider knowledge when you're doing your process. My main inspiration was Peter McKinnon. Because of him I started doing photography like more and more. And maybe you'll find somebody who inspires you, who makes you go out and take some photos. The third one, shoot, shoot and shoot. Yes, you need to take picture of everything. When you're going for a walk, you should just pick up your phone and take photos about anything. For example, it can be buildings, leaves, trees, anything that you like. You should do that. It doesn't matter what I said before if you don't shoot, don't practice your craft, because if you're practicing it and you consume YouTube content and you acknowledging that you don't have the best gear but you have a phone that you can do photos, right? You will be unstoppable. Just shoot, shoot and shoot. It doesn't matter what you shoot. And make sure that you are taking better photos than the previous ones. Try different techniques. Try different things that you learn from a YouTuber or a photographer. Practice. This is the key to make better photos and making the most fun of photography. My last tip, which is number 4, if you do other things that I told you, just share it. Share it on Instagram. Share it with your family, your friends, anybody. Because they can get you a very good feedback about your photography. Maybe the first time will be harsh or bad, or you're not feeling alright when somebody said that your photos is not good enough or it's just average. You should listen to them. If you like my video, thanks for watching, and excuse me for my English. That was the first time that I talked to a camera in English. This is not my native language, but I try to do my best. Subscribe and like, and we are meeting in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye!